Peace and blessings, friends. This is Stocks with Josh. I've been trying out some new sun tanning lotion. Let me know if it looks good on me. Hey, good people, this is Larry Jones. Hey, Stocks with Josh is traveling, and I'm an admin on his page, and I decided to feed the family a little bit and hopefully help in some small way. All right. We know that Stocks with Josh is a master at technical training and technical trading. I am not a technical trader. I'm a fundamental trader and a momentum trader. So I'm a fundamentally based momentum trader. And when you put the two together, you have a really good team. And one that if you have them both, it just makes you a better trader, okay? And actually one leans on the other. It's kind of like a tripod, right? If you kick a leg down, it'll fall, right? So what I'm going to do is share with you just for a few moments on how you can make money based on a news and just earnings, right? And then you take the information that I'm going to give you and then you add the charts to it. Then you have yourself in a really, really good position, okay? But first, as Josh would say, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want all of these goodies. And at the end of this video, make sure you download the two links below, the two top links below. This is Moo Monday. So download that and you can get up to 15 free stock, okay? You're going to get 5 automatically for just depositing $100. And then Webull is the link below that. 1 penny now gets you 12 free stock. So download and fund them both. All right, let's go. So what I'm going to do is talk about how I've been making money in the last few days. And I want you guys to understand that you could take what I'm going to say on this video and continue to make money for the rest of your life. So this is not about Larry made these plays and now he's showing us. As a matter of fact, before I made these plays, I told the family on my page before opening bell. So I come on live and I say what I'm going to do. Okay. So let's stay focused. And remember, these principles you can take and use them for earnings and you can use them for the future, right? So let's go right to it. Excuse me. I am working on 3 hours of sleep, but I'm going to get this in the way and go back to bed. All right. So Activation Blizzard. Okay. Activation Blizzard has reported, and I bought some before they reported. Now, what did I do? Well, they were not looking good at first, right? And so I did a put on Activation Blizzard. And what is a put? A put is when you bet that a stock is going to fall. Now, this one may not have worked for me because the stock actually went up after hours, as you can see. But it did come down during the day. So we will see. I'll probably be mostly flat, okay? And so why did I do a put on it? It's because of the news, right? So what you do is, this is www.yahoofinance.com, right? Just use the free tools that you have. Let's scroll down and see what news we have. 4 hours ago, Activision Blizzard results, top earnings, admits rough quarter, right? So I was betting they were going down because they had rough quarters. And then there was a deal to merge that is looking like it may not happen. So I was betting against that, okay? Or should I say I was expecting that not to happen. But they did decently on their earnings, so it actually ran up a little bit after hours, okay? So I'm just giving you guys the reasoning behind it. We're going to keep it going, okay? So I have it pulled up here, and as you can see, despite Microsoft acquisitions distraction, right? So Microsoft was supposed to buy Activision, which is gaming, And there's a lot of doubt that it may not go through. So that's why I did a put. Just think somebody put you down, or you call up and you put down. A put is when you think a stock is going to fall down. A call, just think call up, is when you think a stock is going to go up in options. Or you can simply just buy the stock, right? Not if you think it's going down. All right, so let's go to the next one, why I entered into this play. All right, and these were all in the last 2 trading days. Okay, I entered into this one this morning, got in and got out, and made a profit and ran. All right, so this is Life Storage. It went up 11% and 0.5% after hours. Why did it go up? Okay, remember, this is www.yahoofinance.com. We scroll down and we see what was the latest news. And as we scroll down, look at this. 22 hours ago, that was this morning when I saw it, Public Storage makes unsolicited $11 billion offer. Okay? So Public made an $11 billion solicitation to buy Life Storage. And so when that normally happens, the company that's doing the purchasing, being Public, generally takes a hit because they are accumulating more debt. Just let's think about how we make money. But Life Storage will be having the infusion of cash, causing their stock to be worth more. So we could do a put on Public, meaning that they will go down, and we can do a call on Life. And that's exactly what I did. And I profited in both of them. I'm just not going to bore you with that. Okay? So that's what happened on that one. And these are lessons on how we could make money. All right? And so let's keep it moving. Let's see what else is happening. Watch this. I want you guys to watch this because the next one I'm going to talk about is that. You see how I just clicked in this space? And I know this is very basic for some of you guys, but this is new information for some of you guys. So if you go to www.com and you literally just go to the box and you just click it, it's showing you which stocks are having some of the biggest moves. And as you can see, BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. When you click on it, you will see that they have a day. Look at this, 92% up. 92% up went Bed Bath & Beyond. So right at closing bell, just before closing bell, and I haven't had time to even talk about this on my page yet because I literally did it with a minute to spare. So what I did was I did a put option. And the reason why I did a put option is I'll show you that. So this is what I did. I did a put option. Look at the bottom one. I'm sorry. Look at the bottom one. You see that I did a put option on Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's for $5. And I have contracts right at 286, right? So it went down and it came back up. I did not panic. I set my stop loss just below, and I left it room to breathe a little bit, and it came back. Now, Bed Bath & Beyond, right at closing bell, announces that they're having a share dilution. And what happened to the stock? After hours, it fell 34%. I'm sorry, good people, I'm on little sleep. So it fell 34%. So I was calling it to $5, and now it's under $4. So tomorrow morning, I will be in profit, right? And so this is all about trading to the news, right? And then when you add the charts to it, these are some of the plays that you have the day before. And when you add the charting to it, then you have even more tools. Let's see what else. Can I show you guys? Activision, there we go right there. Sorry, here we go. Look at that. So that's some of the Activision plays that I'm actually currently holding. And let us see what else can I show you guys. Okay, remember I bought you guys GEHC, which is General Electric Healthcare. I went in heavy. Now, I'm going to show you this, but I don't want you guys to try to mimic it. I went in heavy because healthcare does well when we're in a recession. So on this one, as you could see, I went in heavy. But if you look at the top call, I'm up 139%. And if you look at the bottom one, I'm up 76%. Now, I'm in no way showing you guys this to say, hey, Larry is killing it, which I've done well in the last 6 months on these options. But the question is why? I want you guys to get the why. Why did I do this? And Josh brought this stock to you guys, the family, and I brought it to my followers before I actually entered into it, okay? And so I bought the stock, which is doing good, and I bought the call options. And I've been in and out of this call option. This is my fourth time in now, fourth or fifth time in, and I've made money on every one. So I want you guys to know, why are you doing this, Larry? Because if you take these principles, you can make money on earnings. You can make them before earnings with no risk. And what I mean by that, you won't have risk doing the earnings. So what I did was I bought some call options before the earnings came out, and I was out before they actually had the earnings. I'm going to go and see if I could find some that I did. I was out before they actually had the earnings. That's called buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay? Buy the rumor, sell the news. That means that there is a rumor coming, right? And you buy the stock on the rumor that something is coming, and you sell it before the news. Now, this was, yet again, this was Thursday. The same GE, I made 119% on it and got back out. But let's see if I could find some of the older ones that I want to show you guys. Yeah, so look at this. All right, look at this. Amazon. You see that Amazon call, right? 35%. I got into that Amazon call before Amazon's earnings, and I made my profit and I got out. And this was, you see GEHC, this was the second time that I got in. What you just saw was the third and fourth time. And then Baidu, okay? And why Baidu? Baidu is a Chinese company, and this was before the balloon debacle. And China just reopened up. I have Baidu and TCOM, which is a Chinese travel company. This was before the balloon debacle, and China just opened up their borders, and they opened up their country for travel. They are 2 years behind us when it comes to COVID. So this is all a part of my psychology and how I make a lot of money on a lot of plays. Now, just think if Stocks with Josh turns around, I find these plays and we marry this with Josh's technicals to tell us exactly where to buy and exactly where he sees resistance and support. And I've been on this road without charts on purpose. And we will discuss that later. Let me know if any of this helps you. So within your Moo app, you have an earnings calendar. It's in your Moo app. Look at all of the earnings for the rest of this year. Start Googling these stocks. Start Googling these companies. And if you hear a lot of bad stuff and you're expecting negativity, then you could do a put option. And how can you do it better? By using the technicals. That's how you can do a better job. And if you see something that you think is going to go up, you could do a call option, or you can just simply buy the stock. A lot of these plays, I just simply buy the stock also and do the options. And some, I just buy the stock. Now, if you do not know how to do options, please do not try it, because you can lose all of your money not knowing what to do with options. And I have to say, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but this is just some basic teaching to show you how to take information that's on the news every day. I get a lot of these cues from CNBC, Fox Business, Yahoo Finance, what else? You name it, Wall Street Journal, or just the news. So tomorrow, Fed Jerome Powell will be speaking. I didn't even mention it on mine because I was so sleepy. Fed Jerome Powell will be speaking on tomorrow. He could move the market. We're not expecting him to. But if he says something out of line, the market will get scared. So just keep your eye out for that. Also, too, the president will be doing the State of the Union address. And if he says something very bold against China, then I just may buy a little bit of BABA when it tanks. I may buy a little bit of TCOM, which is a Chinese travel company, when it tanks, and just hold it long and ride it back up. Why would you do that, Larry? Because in the past, these things always work out and these stock always rebound. Me personally, I don't hold any Chinese stock long. I just do them for short swing plays and I'm back out, okay? So make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm Uncle Larry, and me and Josh have been knowing each other for somewhere in the area of 25 years. And we started kind of this journey together. I was trading years in 92, but then in 2007-ish, we both got back in together. I went to the fundamental side, he went to the technical side. And we want to say thank you for you guys being a family, keeping everything clean and in order. And he was concerned about you guys not being fed today. He does not know that I'm doing this. And so hopefully it was of help. Sorry if I'm rambling. I need to go to sleep right now. All right. I always say live, love, laugh, and learn. But in honor of Josh, Stocks with Josh, let's leave some hearts up there, okay? All right? I'm going to get some sleep. See you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.